today I got a slime package because my other slime just dried out. So I'm just gonna open it. So what it came with a spoon, food coloring. This has already been used. So yeah. So look at the top, guys. It looks so cool. Okay, open it. Okay, open it. Here it is. Oh, that was so jiggly. So we're just gonna see how it looks like. Oh, I feel something hard in here. Oh, it's a little monster, the same one that I had. Sorry guys, that was a really mess up. I'm so sorry. I have it on a weird wiggly table, so that's why. That's cool. So this is the slime.
Get these clothes back here and put them away.
It's so stretchy.
Come and pick up these papers I told you.
Sorry guys. Sorry guys. Sorry guys. So this is really jiggly slime. So I'm gonna poke holes in it like regular slimes, like how I do my satisfying videos or not satisfying. I can hear Christmas music, guys. Isn't that cool? So stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay. Hello. That is so funny. Hello. So my sister's right behind me. So this is gonna fart. Ouch. So we're gonna make this slime fart. Ready? Oh, that was my sister, guys. Sis, do you need to go to the restroom?
No, I don't.
Are you sure?
Because you're making slime videos? Sorry.
Ew! Sis! Sorry, guys.
Put the light right here.
My sister is farting, guys. Ew! Come over here. Oh, that smells nasty. Ah! Ew. That smells super nasty. This is the slime. Oh, don't move it. So we're gonna take the slime out. See see what it looks like. Squish.
I want to squish it.
Sophie, where's your sweater?
No. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe.
Bye, guys.
And leave a comment down below if you like this video or not. Click the like button in 5 seconds. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
I hope you clicked it. Subscribe. Bye.